Their tongues are like sharp words. Show your greatness in the sky, O God, and your glory over all the earth. And chapter 55 verse 6, my enemies have spread a net to catch me. I am overcome with distress. They dug a pit in my path, but fell into it themselves. And verse 7, I have complete confidence and of God. I will sing and praise you. And verse 8, wake up my soul. Wake up my harp and lyre. I will wake up the sun. Verse 9, I will thank you, O Lord, among the nation. I will praise you among the peoples. Verse 10, your constant love reaches the heavens. Your faithfulness touches the sky. And verse 11, show your greatness in the sky, O God, and your glory over all the earth. Then, let us continue to read the book of Psalm 58, going to 1 and 11. Going to 1 to 11, okay? Just understand and hear my Bible verse. It's about a prayer for God to punish the weak. So, and Psalm chapter 8, verse 1 to 11. I just want to share you guys. And please read and understand, okay? So, chapter 58, verse 1. Do you rulers ever give a just decisions? Do you judge everyone fairly? Ano yun? Ano yan ah? Magtulog na. Do you judge everyone fairly? No, you think only of the evil you can do. At least ano ako, nagbabasa, hindi lang nagkakanta. Gab, tama na yan, Gab. Ano na ang saksakan, Kyle? Tama na yan. Evildoers go wrong all their lives, and they tell lies from the day, and they are born. They are full of poisons like snake. They stop up their ears like a deaf cobra, and which does not hear the voice of the snake charmer, or the chant of the clever magician. And verse 6, chapter 58, verse 6, break the teeth of these fierce lions, O God. Verse may they be like a snail that dissolved into slime. Maybe be like a baby born, the dead that never sees the light. Verse 9, before they know it, they are cut down like weeds. And his first anger, God will blow them away while they are still living. Verse 10, the righteous will be glad when they see sinner punished, and they will wade through the blood of the weak. Verse 11, chapter 58, people will say, the righteous are indeed rewarded. There is indeed a God who judges the world. Okay, let us continue to read the book of Psalm, chapter 59, verse 1 to 17. Okay, I just want to share the book of chapter 59, verse 1 to 17. Okay. Chapter 59, verse 1, a prayer for the safety. Save me from my enemies, my God. So, that's a kind of a prayer to God. Protect me from those who attack me. And verse 2, save me from those evil people. Rescue me from those murderers. So, if you want to asking help to God, you just to read the book of Psalm chapter 59, okay? This is the prayer for the safety, okay? Are you here, guys? Are you there, guys?